Yeah. One of the new area in research about endometriosis is relation of endometriosis with something called microbiomes. And what microbiomes, it's certain groups of bacteria that found in your body. It could found inside your uterus, it could found in your vagina or in your tummy or in your gut. And this is a new era of research. Up until 2018, we do not know exactly what is a beneficial bacteria for your body, what is the harmful bacteria. All we know is it lactobacillus group or non-lactobacillus group. And very recent, I published a research about uterine dysbiosis, a new frontier in women health. I published it into 2021. And in this research, by systematic review, we find that certain group of bacteria are related to endometriosis. Certain groups of bacteria, by names, we know exactly which kind of bacteria, okay, is related to cancer of the endometrium. Certain groups are related to recurrent miscarriage. Certain groups are related to chronic endometritis. Certain groups are related to polyp formation inside the lining of the womb, or certain groups are related to problems with IBS. And all we know now, there are certain bacterial taxi with endometriosis. It's fine there, and this bacteria is active in endometriosis. And what this means? This means that could it be an inflammatory response of these bacteria that exaggerate the endometriosis, or endometriosis itself make a proper niche for this bacteria to develop on it, or no? Nobody knows about this answer. It's cross-related. But what is the significance of that? Because they tried an experiment on mice, and they found that when they gave metronidazole antibiotic, the mice endometriosis gland start to decrease. Okay, and when they tried on some women, given some antibiotic and some probiotic, the pain symptoms start to decrease. So there is a correlation between microbiomes in your body and the endometriosis, but we do not know until now what kind of treatment we shall tackle these microbiomes. Is it healthy or not healthy? So this bacteria is not healthy because it's abnormal to be found. It's found only on the endometriosis patient. And what makes it very difficult, because all study about the microbiome came from most Asian countries, and it's found that endometriosis are very low reported in black women, and it's high reported in white women. So this is ratios also, or distribution between countries, make it difficult for us. And microbiome in itself, when we go through it deeply, we found that the microbiome can affect the metabolism of estrogen hormone in your body. And the estrogen hormone is the hormone that makes endometriosis flare up and makes your womb just. That's why we are thinking it's related to menstruation and all this stuff, but it's due to the estrogen hormone. So microbiomes affecting estrogen hormone, and estrogen hormone flare up the endometriosis nodule, and it's just a vicious circle. We need to break this circle by any means. And this is about microbiome. It's a very recent area for research, and it's the future actually for treating and preventing endometriosis, if I well expect from now.